everybody! Today I'm going to make noodle soup, guksu. But this guksu is a special. I'm going to add some beef and also the buchu, beef noodle soup with buchu and sogogi-buchu-guksu. Let's get started. We need 6 cups of delicious stock. I made anchovy-kelp stock, but you guys can just bring anything, any stock, and beef stock and chicken stock, whatever it is, just we need 6 cups of delicious stock. And I'm going to show you my stock. Open. You wanna see in this what is in this sack? Anchovies, green onion, the mushroom, onion, and here kelp. Oh, wow! More radish. This radish I'm going to make a pancake. Look at this. It looks very rich and delicious, isn't it? Very lots of flavor. I'm going to measure 6 cups here. One, 6. So now 1 teaspoon salt and mix. This is going to be our noodle soup today. So stock is ready. I'm going to add some buchu, so Asian chives. That this buchu, 4 ounce. I already measured 4 ounce buchu. I wash. I'm going to show you. Some people don't know how to wash. Cut into 1-inch pieces. Let's season this. 3 tablespoons gochugaru. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Sugar, so 1 teaspoon. Sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. And mix this well. Oh, smells really good. So keep mixing like this, and as the time goes by, this flavor is going to be absorbed because it's very salty, until sugar is fully dissolved. So set aside. And I'm going to bring my beef. Yeah, this is 8 ounce. Slice thinly. Let's mince 2 garlic cloves. 2 teaspoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons sesame oil and black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. What it is special is that I'm adding starch, potato starch 1 tablespoon. So later when you cook this, you will see how it looks beautiful and shiny. So use 1 tablespoon potato starch. And you gotta use a hand. So basically, our stock is ready and buchu is ready and beef should be cooked. Let's cook. Over medium-high heat, cooking oil. Okay, turn off and cover. Now I'm boiling my water. Whenever you make a noodle soup or any noodles, last thing you gotta do is cooking noodles because noodles get soggy easily. So all this preparation is ready and then time to eat. And then, okay, let's just cook noodles. Meanwhile, I like to make it more tasty, so sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, I like to grind. About 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Great, great. So this is thin wheat noodles for 2 servings, 8 ounce. Oh, 9 ounce. That's the 8 ounce. Okay, this is 8 ounce. Water is boiling. Let's add the noodles. Stir a few times. I took off the lid because sooner or later really boiling over. So 3 minutes. 3 minutes over medium-high heat. This is well cooked. Okay, let's wash noodles. Let's reheat this stock. High heat. Wash it by rubbing. Well, make this noodles and also bowl should be hot. So this method using pour out into this pot again and then again. Couple of times to do this. This is our method called toryang. So make it this bowl and the noodles hot. Okay. Buchu, put it here. And beef. And sesame seeds. It's time to eat noodle soup. So today I showed you how to make sogogi-buchu-guksu, beef noodle soup with buchu. Buchu is the Asian chives. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.